Bible Study Guide Day 34, Exodus 13 to 15. After the Israelites are delivered from slavery in Egypt, God instructs them to consecrate every firstborn male to Him. This is to serve as a reminder of how He had spared their firstborn sons during the plague that struck Egypt. The consecration involves sacrificing every firstborn male animal and redeeming every firstborn son with a lamb or offering a monetary payment instead. This act symbolizes the Israelites' dedication to serving and honoring God for His faithfulness and protection. As the Israelites continue their journey, God leads them with a pillar of cloud by day and a pillar of fire by night. This serves as a physical manifestation of His presence and guidance, reminding the Israelites that He is with them every step of the way. Moses carries the bones of Joseph with him, as Joseph had made the Israelites promise to take his bones with them when they left Egypt. The Lord tells Moses to have the Israelites camp by the Red Sea, in a seemingly vulnerable position. God warns Moses that Pharaoh and his armies will pursue them, but assures him that He will deliver the Israelites from their enemies. Just as God warned, when Pharaoh realizes that he has lost his slaves and valuable workforce, he changes his mind and decides to pursue the Israelites. He gathers his army and chases after them, trapping the Israelites between the sea and his army. The Israelites panic, but God is not taken by surprise. He tells Moses to stretch out his hand over the sea, and the waters part, creating a pathway for the Israelites to cross safely. As they make their way through the parted sea, God protects them with a pillar of cloud and fire, keeping the Egyptians at bay. When the Israelites have successfully crossed, God instructs Moses to stretch out his hand again, causing the sea to close back in on Pharaoh and his army, drowning them all. This is a powerful display of God's deliverance and protection for His people. When the Israelites see the destruction of their enemies, they are filled with awe and fear for the Lord. They recognize His power and might, and their faith in Him is strengthened. After witnessing God's deliverance from the Egyptians, Moses and the Israelites sing a song of praise to the Lord. This song, known as the Song of Moses and Miriam, acknowledges God's strength, sovereignty, and faithfulness. The song also highlights God's justice and power in destroying their enemies. It serves as a reminder to the Israelites that they are a chosen people, set apart by God for His purposes. Miriam is the sister of Moses and Aaron, and she is also a prophetess. She leads the women in singing and dancing with tambourines in hand. As the Israelites continue their journey, they come across a bitter spring of water at Marah. The water is undrinkable, and the Israelites grumble against Moses. However, God instructs Moses to throw a piece of wood into the water, making it sweet and drinkable. This serves as another reminder to the Israelites that God will provide for them in every situation. They continue on to Elim, where they find 12 springs of water and 70 palm trees, a place of rest and refreshment for the weary travelers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.